Welcome, everyone. I'm excited to kick off our presentation today. Today, we'll be exploring research types. This is the first slide, so I just want to briefly introduce what we'll cover. We'll look at different kinds of research, understand their purposes, and see how they apply in various contexts. So, let's dive in and explore the world of research together. Let's talk about observational research. Essentially, this means that researchers observe subjects and measure outcomes without actually assigning treatments, interventions, or exposures. In other words, we're not intervening, we're simply watching what happens naturally. The role of the researcher here is quite passive. Think of them as a neutral observer who collects data on what occurs in real life without influencing it. Some common examples include tracking patients who are already on existing medications, studying the natural history of diseases, or conducting cohort studies that look at lifestyle factors and their effects over time. One of the main strengths of observational research is that it reflects real-world conditions very well. This makes it especially useful for studying rare diseases or situations where running controlled trials might be unethical or impractical. For example, if a medication is already widely used, observing its effects in everyday settings can provide valuable insights. However, it's important to remember the limitations. Since researchers don't control the variables, it's difficult to prove causation definitively. Confounding factors, other variables that might influence the outcomes, can muddy the waters and make it tricky to draw firm conclusions about cause and effect. So, in summary, observational research is a powerful tool for understanding real-world phenomena, especially in situations where controlled experiments aren't feasible, but we need to be cautious about interpreting the results. For more details, I encourage you to subscribe to the channel. Staying connected through subscriptions helps you stay updated with the latest content. Additionally, you can visit the link provided here, https://www.youtube.com/@Dr. Prashant Kumarjha 4615. This is where you'll find more in-depth information and resources related to today's topic. Remember, engaging with these resources can deepen your understanding and support your learning journey. So, don't forget to subscribe and check out the channel for ongoing updates and valuable insights.